Hello, my name is Manish Gupta, and I'm the VP and General Manager for Infrastructure Solutions Group at Dell Technologies India. What our customers are really looking for is a continuously modern storage experience, and that cannot be delivered without software innovation. One has got to remember that storage is more about software than just about hardware. In fact, as an organization, we are heavily invested into R&D. 85% of the engineers that work in the Infrastructure Solutions Group are actually software engineers. That's the amount of focus that we put in when we talk about software innovation. By the way, what we are launching is 500 plus software innovations across a plethora of our products. Now, all of this innovation is really coming around three pillars. The first and foremost, talking about software, is adaptable software architectures to get intelligence and insights as the automation happens at the underlying layer. Number two is comprehensive cyber resiliency. We are aware of the number of cyber attacks that the largest organizations are seeing day in and day out. One has got to bring in the modern architectures. For example, we are bringing in air gap that keeps data isolation as well as immutability. In the event that there's an attack, there could be a recovery. Likewise, Cloud IQ AI Ops gives our customers visibility before data corruption happens to a 95% confidence that allows customers to work on that proactively rather than working on that reactively. And lastly, it's about multi-cloud. We know all of our customers are today running in a multi-cloud environment. It could be co-location, it could be on-prem, it could be a large public hyperscaler, or it could be in a niche cloud. The ability to provide enterprise-grade software to do cloud burst or to be able to provide similar DevOps environment in a multi-cloud world is what we are bringing on table. I can try and objectify it in a couple of ways. Imagine first and foremost, all of this automation that brings in intelligence and insights also boosts productivity. A lot of the IT teams that are working on mundane tasks can free up their time to do innovation that can help them disrupt the market. Let's take another example. With our 24/7 running in intelligent data reduction, customers can get as much as 4:1 data reduction ratios. What that means is lower cost of terabytes, but equally lower power and cost savings around space as well. The other example would be intelligent AI Ops. With our Cloud IQ AI Ops, customers would not just be able to manage their storage, but end-to-end infrastructure, which includes server and networking as well. I'll give you a third example. The ransomware anomaly that again runs 24/7 gives customers ahead of time information on any data corruption that might happen, which allows them to work on that proactively rather than working on it once the data corruption has already happened. We announced Project Alpine a couple of months back. What we are really doing with Project Alpine is giving our customers the ability to run enterprise-grade software irrespective of where the data is sitting. It could be sitting in a public hyperscaler. It could be sitting on-prem or on a co-location. What we are really bringing is our software IP, whether it be around file, block, or object, all of that is going to be available across multiple hyperscalers. Customers will be able to do cloud burst in the event that their resources are running short on-prem. Customers can give the DevOps team the same consistent experience without having to refactor applications or without having to reskill them. We all know how important skills are and how difficult is it to build skills. So that's really the vision that we are bringing on table with Project Alpine. By the way, you should know, even at this point in time, we have the largest and the broadest portfolio that's available across all the major hyperscalers. Automation and intelligence that we are bringing in means a lot of things for the customers. It means that they can innovate securely without having to worry about any cyber attacks. It means that they can boost productivity. It means that they can get intelligence out of all of the infrastructure that's running. They can do data balancing, they can do data migration, they can do software upgrades without any downtime. That's a capability that automation brings in. Imagine a world where the IT teams do not have to work only on mundane tasks, but can just work on innovation, on disrupting the markets. That's the power of automation. With our 24/7 running DRR, intelligent data reduction, we are able to provide 4:1 data reduction ratios. What that means is customers do not have to spend as much on capacity, plus also have saving on space as well as power. Or with our ransomware anomaly software, they would be aware of any corruption or any attacks that can happen tomorrow. So all of this is real value to customers, not just in terms of money, but equally in terms of productivity and being able to innovate in their businesses.